In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GCash 6-digit PIN. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet, as this process requires an online connection. Opening the app is your gateway to managing your financial transactions securely. If you haven't updated your app in a while, consider doing so to ensure a smooth experience. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon. This icon is typically located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Accessing your profile is crucial because it contains all personal settings and linked accounts. Navigating here is essential for making changes to your account preferences. From there, select My Linked Accounts. This section contains all the external accounts connected to your GCash profile. By managing these linked accounts, you maintain control over how your GCash interacts with other financial tools. Keeping this information up to date helps in preventing unauthorized access. Next, tap on GCash Card. Your GCash card is your physical link to spending your GCash balance in the real world. This is where you can manage settings specific to your card, including your PIN. Remember, keeping your PIN secure is vital for protecting your funds. Choose your linked GCash card from the list. If you have multiple cards, ensure you select the correct one. This detail is important because each card can have its own unique settings and PIN. Verifying the correct card prevents any confusion or accidental changes to the wrong account. Now tap on Reset Card PIN. Resetting your PIN is necessary if you suspect any unauthorized access or simply want to update your security. This action is a proactive measure to keep your financial information safe from fraudulent activities. Next, tap Submit. This step confirms your choice to reset the PIN and initiates the process. You will be prompted to enter a new 6-digit card PIN. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious patterns like 123456 or your birth date. Re-enter the same PIN to confirm your choice. This step ensures that you have not made an error when entering your new PIN. Consistency here is crucial to avoid future access issues. After confirming, tap Next. This action finalizes the reset process and submits your new PIN for activation. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. Finally, wait for the confirmation message that your PIN has been changed successfully. This message is important because it serves as a verification that your request has been processed correctly. If you do not see this confirmation, double-check the steps to ensure everything was done as required. Changing your GCash PIN regularly is a good practice for maintaining account security. It reduces the risk of unauthorized access and keeps your financial activities protected. Remember, a secure PIN is your first line of defense against potential threats. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your GCash 6-digit PIN. Make sure to store this new PIN securely and avoid sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make changes.